Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to get your PlayStation 5 account back after you've been hacked. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So my PlayStation 5 account recently has been hacked, and I found out about it because I had two-step verification on, and I got a text message saying two-step verification is now deactivated on your Sony account. Now, I also received an email saying my sign-in ID has changed. And also, my two-step verification is now deactivated on my account. Now, when I went to my PlayStation, it said I had to sign back in. So my email was changed, my password was changed, and two-step verification was deactivated and installed on a different phone number. So if this happens to you, go on over to a web browser and go to PlayStation.com and just type this in and press enter. Now, when this page loads, go over to support and select this and go to support. Now, in the bottom right side of the screen, if we scroll down to online assistant, go ahead and left click this and open this chat window. And we will be greeted with this page. Now it says type in your first and last name. So let's just type in Timothy and then something for my last name, Slicin, and then go ahead and go to start chatting. Now you're going to be speaking with an online assistant bot right away, and this will go ahead and help you navigate your problem. So we're going to want to go ahead and choose account recovery. What can I help you with today? Account recovery. Let's select that. Now you will need to go ahead and provide them your sign-in ID, and you will have to have access to the original email address before it was changed. So it says, are you able to access the inbox for your sign-in ID email address? I'm going to go ahead and type yes. Can you please provide your sign-in ID, your PlayStation Network account? So go ahead and type that in right now. Now this is the chat log for my conversation with the online assistant. It says, the current estimate wait time is 20 to 30 minutes to speak with an agent. Would you like to hold? Yes. Now it's transferring me to an agent. Please hold. So I left my web browser open for about 30 minutes and I was able to speak with someone. And someone eventually came and said, hello, thanks for contacting PlayStation support. My name is Mario. Please note that we will be working with the PlayStation ID you entered in the pre-chat form. I understand you're requesting assistance regarding your account. I will be happy to help. Then this is what you need to provide them. Your name and last name, phone number, and contact email. And make sure you have access to the email address. Otherwise, this step will be a lot more complicated for you. So I gave him all the information right here, and he replied, thank you. Please tell me how I may help you. And I basically told him my account was hacked, and my email was changed, etc. Then to confirm my identity, he said, could you please confirm the first and last 4 digits of the credit card / debit card that you used to transact with on your PlayStation account? I said, yes, here it is. And he said, thanks. Allow me to ask, do you have access to the original email that was used to create the account? If so, could you please provide it to me? And I said, yes, here is the email address. He said, do you have access to it? Yes, I do. Then he said, I'm happy for you. I was able to restore the email and the two-step verification feature was removed from the account. You will receive 2 emails. The first one is to reset your password and the second one is to verify your account. Please reset your password first and then verify your email. Also check your spam folders and the link will expire in 24 hours. So I was able to reset my email address and my password. Now go on over to your PlayStation once again and sign in with your new password. And I would suggest getting a login password from now on also. So even if the person does get access to your account, they won't be able to log in. Then go up to settings right here and select this and go to users and accounts. Then go through all your information under here. Your name, your address, your sign-in, ID, and make sure everything is correct and it wasn't changed. Then you can go to security and set security features for this account. And go to a security password, redo your password, redo your email address, even do a new email address. So if the person knew your old one, well, they can't reset your account again. And then check your phone number under here as well. Make sure your phone number wasn't changed and add two-step verification to your account. And I would suggest using the Authenticator app because it's more reliable and my account was hacked using the text message SMS feature for two-step verification. So apparently that didn't work very well for me. So I'm going to use the Authenticator app from now on. Go to Payment and Subscriptions and just check your payment methods and your credit card or your debit card on your account. Go to Transaction History and just see if anything was bought on your account. Then under Users and Accounts again, go on down to Other and go to Console Sharing and Offline Play and enable your console once again as the primary console. Now, the person may have deactivated all the accounts, so they set their PlayStation 5 as the main account, so they can still play your games, even on like a second account on their PlayStation. So enable this, back out, and you may have to go to Restore Licenses under here as well, because some of your games may be locked. Then you can go to Login Settings, and you can change your login passcode under here. And you could go to Remote Play under System and just check your connection history. See if anyone actually connected to your PlayStation 5 via Remote Play. Now, when I tried connecting to Remote Play on my phone application, I observed that there was another PlayStation 5 that I could connect to. So just double check everything on your account. And hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.